Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. Today's another vlog for the mining, it's mining vlog. I hope you enjoy it and thank you for watching my video. This is a mining activity called bench matting in nickel mining operations. What is the importance of bench matting? It uses to make the operation smooth so that dump trucks will not bury the wheel tire. Keep away from damage under chassis of trucks. Watch until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.